Hi guys, welcome to another video session. In this video session I'm going to tell you about Cabbie, a Node.js test automation tool which helps you all to browse or automate UI functionality through your web browser. Cabbie has implementation for Chrome driver, testing bot, and so many cloud-based testing solutions. So let's look at how we can test automate with Google Chrome with using Cabbie. Cabbie uses WebDriver and it's a wrapper tool. So let's look at how we can do automation with Cabbie. First of all, I want you all to glance through cabbiejs.org, which shows you how to implement Cabbie. So it has a quick startup guide also, and the APIs that you can use for each of the objects. So you can see that the methods are laid down, the documentation laid down. So there is a asynchronous API also, but today I'm going to show you synchronous API, test automation using the synchronous API of Cabbie.js. So I have a simple TypeScript automation code here. This will go to Google, type Cabbie npm, and it will search, and it will get the text of the first search result, that is the Cabbie npm, and it verifies whether the text is equals to Cabbie-npm. So let's see how we can do this. So first of all, I had to convert the TypeScript to JavaScript. So how I can do that is, I'll just clear the screen. So my TypeScript test is saved on Slimmer test. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type tsc cabbiejs cabbie1.ts. So before this, we have to install certain modules. So I'm going to tell you how to install these modules. So to install Cabbie, what you have to do is you have to install these following tools. You have to install Node.js, then you have to do npm install Cabbie sync at latest, the latest version, then npm install global installation of TypeScript, since we are writing scripts on TypeScript, and npm install Chrome driver. So after installing this, you can run the test script which I have shown you, and tsc, once you install TypeScript, you can type tsc cabbie.ts, the TypeScript file, and click enter. Well, there are certain errors which is coming up. It is due to a submodule in TypeScript, but please ignore this. But since it creates the JavaScript file, I can show it to you. So it creates the JavaScript file. Here we go. This is the JavaScript file that has been generated from the TypeScript. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this JavaScript file and see whether the test case gets executed successfully. So I'll clear this. So I'll run it through node cabbie1.js. It will run my JavaScript file which has been generated. So Chrome is up, goes to google.lk, types Cabbie npm, verifies Cabbie npm link text. So it's done the verification and it has passed. So this is how you do test automation with Cabbie, a Node.js test automation modules. Thank you guys. If you like this post, please put a like in the LinkedIn. Thanks.